Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neelam and you're watching Neelam's Lifestyle. So this is a new video for you guys. This is actually the continuity of my spring decor and the summer decor. I live in cold weather, so till now I still have snow. So most probably our summer or springtime starts somewhere in May, and but I already start to clean the pressure wash my deck, and this is the first step to wash the siding and pressure wash my deck. So deck is actually 26 by 8 and 12, from one side is 12, one side is 8 by something. So I use the smaller rug at the small side and the bigger rug at the bigger side. So this is a rug I got from the Lowe's, and this is my favorite rug. I love this rug. I like this geometrical pattern, and I place this furniture. I think I've ordered this furniture from Amazon like long time ago, and I really love this. And the lights from Costco. So I change my planting ideas every year. Every year I pick something new except the perennials, because I love perennials and I love my trees. So we put 17 trees in this property all together. So this is the tower polar, and sometimes I need extra help, so I call someone to cut my edges. And it was just laying there, so I put the seeds and plants in this barrel. Love bird watching in the morning when the weather allows, and we have a lot of migratory bird. And this cut wood, I really love the feel of that, the cut wood pile. So sometimes I do have a wood burning fireplace, and I do have a LPG fireplace. So when it's get chiller, I burn the wood, and love cedar. So sometimes I made my own planters. So I got the flowers in bunch from Home Depot or the Costco, and sometimes actually every year got the hanging basket. I think like 11 or 10 hanging basket, and plus the planters made by myself. I love these light because it's have a yellow hue, which feel like a vintage. And my siding is a royal blue color. I really love this color. So we do have hail damage. So before that it was burgundy, if you see my old videos, but now I changed this beautiful royal blue color, and with the accent of cedar, because my husband loves cedar. So this is a small area. So I actually do continuous change my design, because if you're in the design process, it's get never end. This is actually the secret of being designer, and I love to design my home whenever it feels time to change. I love this fountain. I love fountain features because the whole day birds coming. And this is a video I shoot last year, and this Eiffel Tower, I love it because it's right away create a magical effect. And this is my front yard. So I did this all by my hand. It was a DIY front yard makeover. I spent I think $300 to lay these flagstones and actually put more perennials plant, and then some annual I add every year. And then we add the spotlight all around the house. This was a good time when we changed the whole siding, so I think this was a good idea to add that pot lights. This Buddha painting I got from Home Sense. So if you like to create a cozy space, you need a light, the good plant, and you also should have a little vegetable garden, which I already have. This is the must. So I have a lot of mint, tomatoes. Sometimes I do share with you guys, and the bird watching experience with this fountain, it's amazing. So if you like the home decorating or the garden decorating video with you guys, so like, share and subscribe for more ideas. Like I do share this privacy wall. My husband made this privacy wall, and it looks amazing because it's really not a regular design. It's a weaving design. It looks so amazing. And then I add the light also on the dimmer, because dimmer makes your mood better. Oliver loves this space. So once I finish this, then we have a plan to put the gazebo here, which I'm gonna soon share that video with you guys. So keep watching, like, share.